Now, if you go to your desktop, you can see the install software. See, this is the install software. You can click it and open it. Okay, click next. Gmail. Okay, click next. Write the password. Sign in. Get verification email. Okay, now open your Gmail. Yes. Okay, there is a new email for you. Autodesk. Open it. Click verify email. Yes. Click it. Done. Okay, now again open Fusion 360. Okay, now click continue. Okay, now Meta, click next. Create a T. Click it. Create a T. Okay, write your name. Meta. Okay, click next. Do not allow discovery. Next. Okay, go to team. Okay. Okay, Meta, that's correct. That's it. Finish. This is the software.
Okay, Miss. Thank you.
Okay, dear. You can go now. Now, Minna, share your screen.